Hi, and welcome to Microbial Sociology, the channel where we try and get you to think as little microbes in the soil as human, so that you can understand them a little bit better. Now, for you, this is tap water here. Now, some of you drink this, some of you don't. I personally don't. I'm not wild about tap water. I don't like the way it tastes. I don't like the chlorine smell. But why is there that chlorine smell? Obviously because there's chlorine. I mean, this isn't groundbreaking stuff. The groundbreaking stuff is that when you realize why chlorine is there. Chlorine is there to kill bugs. It's to kill, the little microbes in the water and sanitize the water and sterilize it. Well, that's good and dandy for certain things, but the problem is it sterilizes your soil. It kills microbes. Does it wipe them out completely? That depends on the concentration of the chlorine, but it definitely holds them back. It certainly has an effect, and that's why this RV filter is here. This is a RV water filter. It's meant to hook up to hoses and plug into your RV, and it makes sure the water that you get out of a hose drinkable. Consequently, you also notice they show a white hose instead of a black or green hose. It's that's meant for drinking, so it doesn't have all of the scary stuff in it that a normal water hose does. So the reason for doing this video is to consider what you're giving your little microbes. What are they drinking? Are they drinking water that's a little hard to digest and a little difficult for them to survive in? Or do you give them something that's got the chlorine taken out of it and something more natural for them to consume? It's one of those things where, if you switch your garden watering, or your obviously if you're big ag, you probably need a filter a little bit bigger than this, but the idea is getting the chlorine out of the water. Once you do that, your populations should thrive a little bit more. So this is just a cheap little tip. It's one of those things that I discovered, and consequently this doesn't just work for your garden. If you use this on, say, a lawn, or your rose bushes, or whatever, any plant that grows will appreciate something like this. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put a link to these filters in the description, and I'd say order a set and see what you think. For me, I noticed a big difference. A lot greener, a lot healthier plants, and it's because I'm not decimating my microbial population by giving it chlorine, the stuff that's actually meant to snuff out that microbial population. So these are little things that these little things you can do to not destroy your microbiology. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks.